There's a popular myth that if you sneeze with your eyes open, they'll pop out of your sockets. But is there any truth to this alarming idea? Scientifically, it's impossible for a sneeze to dislodge our eyes. The eyes are held in place by a combination of muscles and connective tissues, far stronger than the sneeze's force. Sneezing is a reflex action, and the simultaneous blinking is just another reflex, meant to protect the eyes from expelled particles. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming, rest assured your peepers are perfectly safe whether your eyelids comply or not.